It's 4:20 on a Friday, early evening I guess you would call it, and I'm sitting here in a really cool little courtyard that's very unique for Nocatee. I'm right here near the town center, and I'm about to show you my latest listing. It's a 3-2, 1,872 square feet, under 600 grand, in meticulous condition. And I guess the best way I would describe this is storybook, because it is such a cool place. And the home sits right behind here. It just reminds me of that New Orleans kind of feel, yet it's a modern build. It's a rear entry, 2-car garage. Let's go check it out. So like I said, storybook would be the best description of this, but even more so, as I sit here in the kitchen, for a home that's 1,876 square feet, it has a massive kitchen with a lot of counter space. You have the big gas stove on the island with the retractor fan on top, which I think is a very unique factor. Another big thing I love about it is these windows behind. I love having windows in a kitchen. But you're not forfeiting anything in this home. You have the walk-in pantry. You have the screened-in lanai. You have a third bedroom that could be an option for an enclosed office. It has wood engineered floors, carpet, tile, 2-car garage, all in the convenience of town center. A great option if you're looking for low maintenance type home, close with a little urban feel, close to the town center. This is it. Welcome to my new listing. Check it out. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tour of my brand new listing here in Addison Park in the urban town center region of Nocatee. Again, great opportunity to get into Nocatee at a lower price point, low maintenance, fantastic condition, even has security cameras. So if you don't know enough about Nocatee, my name is Greg DiTullio. I'd love to be your resource of choice. I have tons of videos. I'm not only a resident here, but I specialize in this area, and for sure, if you're not sure about it, there are a ton of different options for you. So go ahead and check out these next videos, and if you're interested in this home, the information will be in the description. My contact information will be there as well. You can text, email me for a private showing. Again, Greg DiTullio signing off. See you in the next video.